Question number 1. Which organ is known as the graveyard of RBCs? Correct option is B. Spleen. Question number 2. Which blood cell helps in blood clotting? Correct option is C. Platelets. Question number 3. Which lobe of the brain controls vision? Correct option is D. Occipital lobe. Question number 4. Which of the following gland regulates metabolism? Correct option is A. Thyroid gland. Question number 5. The hormone which controls sleep cycle is called. Correct option is A. Melatonin. Question number 6. Which organ regulates body fluid balance? Correct option is B. Kidney. Question number 7. Which structure is responsible for hearing? Correct option is C. Cochlea. Question number 8. Which of the following bone is called the collar bone? Correct option is B. Clavicle bone. Question number 9. Which part of the nephron reabsorbs water? Correct option is B. Lobe of Henle. Question number 10. Which valve prevents backflow into left ventricle? Correct option is A. Aortic valve. Question number 11. The gland which secretes adrenaline is called. Correct option is D. Adrenal medulla. Question number 12. Where is the cerebrospinal fluid produced in body? Correct option is C. Choroid plexus. Question number 13. What is the basic structural and functional unit of muscle? Correct option is B. Sarcomere. Question number 14. The cardiac center of the body is located in. Correct option is D. Medulla oblongata. Question number 15. What is the fluid part of the blood called? Correct option is C. Plasma. Question number 16. Which of the following gland secretes cortisol? Correct option is B. Adrenal cortex. Question number 17. The organ which maintains acid-base balance of the body called. Correct option is C. Kidney. Question number 18. The smallest bone in the leg of human is called. Correct option is A. Fibula. Question number 19. Which hormone reduces blood calcium level? Correct option is B. Calcitonin. Question number 20. Which vitamin is needed for RBC formation? Correct option is D. Vitamin B12. Question number 21. Why do newborn lose weight in the first week? Correct option is D. Fluid loss. Question number 22. When does physiological jaundice peak? Correct option is B. Day 2 and day 3. Question number 23. What is the most common neonatal infection source? Correct option is D. Cord stump. Question number 24. What infection causes strawberry tongue? Correct option is C. Scarlet fever. Question number 25. What food causes choking risk in infant? Correct option is C. Grapes. Question number 26. What is the main symptom of asthma in children? Correct option is B. Wheezing. Question number 27. What disease present with bull-necked appearance? Correct option is A. Diphtheria. Question number 28. When does physiologic anemia occur in pregnancy? Correct option is the second trimester. Question number 29. What is the purpose of glucose challenge test in pregnancy? Correct option is D. Detect gestational diabetes. Question number 30. Which vitamin deficiency causes cleft lip or flat? Correct option is B. Folic acid. Question number 31. When does implantation usually occur after fertilization? Correct option is C. D6 to 7 days. Question number 32. Why is rubella vaccine avoided in pregnancy? Correct option is A. It contains live virus. Question number 33. When does the placenta become fully functional? Correct option is B. C. 12 weeks. Question number 44. When does blood Brixton Hicks concentration occur usually start? Correct option is C. 20th weeks. Question number 35. When should artificial rupture of membranes be avoided? Correct option is C. Cord presentation. Question number 36. What is the most common cause of postpartum infection? Correct option is D. Anaerobic bacteria. Question number 37. Why does amniotic fluid become meconium stained? Correct option is A. Hypoxia. Question number 38. What is the normal length of umbilical cord? Correct option is C. 50 to 60 centimeter. Question number 39. What is the earliest sign of postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is B. Tachycardia. Question number 40. What is the earliest ultrasound sign of pregnancy? Correct option is B. Gestational sac. Question number 41. What is the safest position for a patient with aspiration risk? Correct option is C. High Fowler's position. Question number 42. Which drug lowers intracranial pressure? Correct option is B. Mannitol. Question number 43. Which test confirms deep vein thrombosis? Correct option is D. Doppler ultrasound. Question number 42. What is the inferiority in diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is B. IV insulin. Question number 45. Which symptom appears in anemia? Correct option is A. Pale skin. Question number 46. What condition shows tea-colored urine? Correct option is D. Rhabdomyolysis. Question number 47. Which patient needs neutropenic precaution? Correct option is C. Low white blood cells. Question number 48. What is the safest action of seizures patient? Correct option is D. Turn patient to side. Question number 49. What is the best site to assess central cyanosis? Correct option is A. Labs. Question number 50. Which condition shows cold fell extremis? Correct option is A. Shock. Question number 51. What is the best early sign of Lloyd overload? Correct option is C. Weak pulse. Question number 52. Which condition shows silver scaly patches? Correct option is B. Psoriasis. Question number 53. Which finding appears in left-sided heart failure? Correct option is A. Crackles. Question number 54. Which patient has his highest aspiration risk? Correct option is the unconscious patient. Question number 55. Which vital sign falls first when a patient enters shock? Correct option is A. Blood pressure. Question number 56. What position is best for relieving dyspnea? Correct option is C. High Fowler's position. Question number 57. Which hormones controls blood glucose during stress? Correct option is B. Cortisol. Question number 58. What color sputum suggests bacterial pneumonia? Correct option is D. Rusted colored. Question number 59. What is the best site for checking central cyanosis? Correct option is B. Labs. Question number 60. Which sounds which sound indicates earway obstruction? Correct option is a Struder. Question number 61. Which type of insulin is rapid acting? Correct option is B. Lacefro. Question number 62. What is the first sign of local infection? Correct option is B. Redness. Question number 63. Which organ synthesized clotting factor? Correct option is B. Liver. Question number 64. Which cranial nerve control vision? Correct option is B. Cranial nerve 2. Question number 65. Which lab value increases in dehydration? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 66. Which vaccine is given at birth? Correct option is C. BCG vaccine. Question number 67. What is the normal range of capillary repel time? Correct option is B. Less than 2 seconds. Question number 68. Which hormone stimulates milk production? Correct option is C. Prolactin. Question number 69. Which test is used to diagnose HIV? Correct option is a ELISA test. Question number 70. Which sound indicates fluid in the lungs? Correct option is C. Crackle sound. Question number 671. When does maximum petal movement occur? Correct option is a 20th week. Question number 72. Where does fertilization normally occur? Correct option is C. Fallopian tube. Question number 73. What is the normal range of serum potassium? Correct option is B. 3.5 to 5 milliequal per liter. Question number 74. Which ECG waves represent arterial defolarization? Correct option is A. P wave. Question number 75. What is the normal hemoglobin level in females? Correct option is C. 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. Question number 76. Which vitamin is needed for calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. When does quickening occur in pregnancy? Correct option is D. 16 to 20th weeks. Question number 78. What is the normal platelets lifespan? Correct option is B. 7 to 10 days. Question number 79. Which infection causes Koplik spots? Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 80. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Correct option is C. Vitamin C. Question number 81. Which drug is used to prevent postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 82. Which condition causes chest pain due to myocardial ischemia? Correct option is D. Angina pectoris. Question number 83. Which bacteria commonly causes urinary tract infection? Correct option is B. E. coli. Question number 84. Which site is preferred for intramuscular injection in adults? Correct option is D. Ventrogluteal. Question number 85. Which position improves breathing in respiratory distress? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C. PAT. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A. Goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B. White blood cells. Question number 91. Which hormone prepares breast for lactation? Correct option is C. Prolactin. Question number 92. Which stage of labor begins with full cervical dilation? Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 93. Which disease causes slab cheek rash? Correct option is C. Pepth disease. Question number 94. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Correct option is C. Vitamin D. Question number 95. Which diagnostic test evaluates heart electrical activity? Correct option is A. ECG. Question number 96. Which drug is used as antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Naloxone. Question number 97. Which level of prevention focuses on early disease detection? Correct option is B. Secondary. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.